A. Listen and say. Number 1.
Train.
Number 2.
Subway.
Number 3.
Ticket office.
Number 4.
Cafe.
Number 5.
Open.
Number 6.
Close.
Number 7.
Arrive.
Number 8.
Leave.
B. Look and listen.
Today we're taking the train to the city. Dad has an important meeting. Brian, Dad, and I are at the train station. We're waiting for Mom and Emma. They're on the subway now. It arrives at 9 o'clock. We need to buy our tickets at the ticket office. It opens at 8:45. Our train leaves at 9:30. We can wait for it in the cafe, but the cafe is not open yet. It opens at 9 a.m. I love this cafe. It serves delicious cakes. When we return home later tonight, I want to go there again. It closes at 6 p.m., so I hope we can return before then.
C. Listen and write the letters on the picture. A.
Ticket office.
B.
Train.
C.
Close.
D.
Leave.
E.
Cafe.
F.
Subway.
G.
Open.
H.
Arrive.
D. Sing a song. Turn to page 118.
We're waiting at the ticket office. Waiting at the ticket office.
What time does it open? What time does it open?
At 8:30 in the morning. We're waiting for the train. Waiting for the train.
What time does it leave? What time does it leave?
At 10:15 in the morning. We're traveling on the train. Traveling on the train.
What time does it arrive? What time does it arrive?
At 12:20 in the afternoon. We're sitting in the cafe. Sitting in the cafe.
What time does it close? What time does it close?
At 6 o'clock in the evening. We're going home by subway. Going home by subway.
What time does it leave? What time does it leave?
At 7:10 in the evening.
A. Listen and sing. Then write and circle.
What time does it open?
At 8:30 in the morning. We're waiting for the train. Waiting for the train.
What time does it leave? What time does it leave?
At 10:15 in the morning. We're traveling on the train. Traveling on the train.
What time does it arrive? What time does it arrive?
At 12:20 in the afternoon. We're sitting in the cafe. Sitting in the cafe.
What time does it close? What time does it close?
At 6 o'clock in the evening. We're going home by subway. Going home by subway.
What time does it leave? What time does it leave?
At 7:10 in the evening.
A. Listen and repeat.
Hurry, Dad. We're going to be late for the train.
It's okay. We can take a taxi.
How long does it take to get to the station?
10 minutes.
Wait a minute. This train ticket is for tomorrow.
A. Listen and say. Number 1.
Ferry.
Number 2.
Taxi.
Number 3.
Helicopter.
Number 4.
Motorcycle.
Number 5.
On foot.
Number 6.
Bicycle.
Number 7.
Bus.
Number 8.
Van.
B. Listen and write the letters. A.
Motorcycle.
B.
Bicycle.
C.
Bus.
D.
On foot.
E.
Van.
F.
Ferry.
G.
Taxi.
H.
Helicopter.
C. Listen, then look at the pictures. Ask and answer.
How long does it take to get to the supermarket by taxi?
It takes about 5 minutes.
How long does it take to get to the bookstore on foot?
It takes about 25 minutes. D. Chant. Turn to page 118.
How long to get to the supermarket? How long does it take by taxi? How long to get to the supermarket?
It takes 5 minutes by taxi.
How long to get to school? How long does it take on foot? How long to get to school?
It takes 10 minutes on foot.
How long to get to the post office? How long does it take by ferry? How long to get to the post office?
It takes 15 minutes by ferry.
How long to get to the bookstore? How long does it take by bus? How long to get to the bookstore?
It takes 20 minutes by bus.
How long to get to the theater? How long does it take by van? How long to get to the theater?
It takes 30 minutes by van.
A. Listen and read. Transportation around the world.
A gondola is a type of boat. You see gondolas in Venice, Italy. Venice doesn't have any roads, so there are no cars. Instead, people travel by gondolas on canals. A canal is like a road, except it is filled with water. Tuk-tuks are like motorcycles, but they have 3 wheels. Tuk-tuks first became popular in Thailand. However, now you can see them in many cities around the world. Most people use tuk-tuks like taxis. They are a good way to travel in cities with lots of cars. Traveling by dog sled is popular in countries near the North Pole. In some countries, like Norway and Sweden, some areas are covered in snow. It is impossible to use a car. Instead, people use sleds. A special type of dog called a husky pulls the sled. Huskies are strong and fast.
C. Listen and write. Then answer the questions. Number 1.
There are lots of cars in Venice.
Number 2.
People travel by gondolas in Venice.
Number 3.
Tuk-tuks are just like taxis.
Number 4.
People use horses to pull sleds in Norway.